But if there is a way in which government can assist, then definitely it would assist. There is a commitment to support retired sports people. And a case like this certainly it would be a case where government wants to demonstrate that it's willing to walk the talk.
The words of a minister saying in as few words as possible that nothing could be done to ship home Crispin Odera, dead from kidney failure last month. The boxer's family faced the catch-22 situation of raising the high fee of bringing his body back or the reality of having him cremated and buried in an anonymous grave. However, against all odds, they pieced the money together thanks to well-wishers, the boxing fraternity and family, their hard work today rewarded by this ordinary and unmarked wooden box. Then began the agonizing process of unscrewing the plain wooden coffin as the family awaited to confirm the body, years of uncertainty etched on their faces. Once the moment of truth came, their efforts were confirmed not to have been in vain.
I've been able to see the body. We've verified it's him.
Mwili ya mtoto yangu ilikuwa nataka ichomeke huko, lakini kwa Wajaluo atuchomeki. Sisi tunashikaga watu wetu.
The whole situation made all the more poignant by the lack of government assistance. Having gone from asking for the few funds they can get to knocking on government doors to no avail, the family of Chris can finally put their kin to rest, something that should serve as a warning to other sportsmen and federations in the country. For JSO at 7 Sports, I'm Mahemutwa.